After a month of build-up, Nothing's sub-brand CMF unveiled its first phone. Now, attention shifts back to the flagship brand with a new version of Nothing's mid-ranger, which is coming at the end of the month, July 31. It will be called the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, and is described as plus, more, extra. Yeah, that's pretty vague. But it's clear that this is meant to be an upgrade to the Nothing Phone 2A. So, what will be plus about the new model? Wider availability would be nice. The 2A still isn't available in the US, and it's only coming as part of the developer program. Also, the company is using the image of these weird grooves to promote the new model, and they kind of remind us of the wireless charging coil on the Nothing phone. Since its unveiling in March, the 2A hasn't seen much action. There was the blue version that came in April, but that was just a new colorway. As for the next flagship model, the Nothing Phone 3, it is coming in 2025.